Welcome to Brominion Beginner's Guide. You can call me the advisor. Let's learn how to play the game. In Brominion, there are 5 factions you can choose from. The White faction, where the Holy Warriors reside. The Green faction, Guardians of the Forest. The Red faction, who rules by flames and destruction. The Black faction, with undead creatures of the night. And the Pink faction, masters of the elemental magics. To join the game, simply type !join followed by the color of your choice. For example, join Black to join the Nether faction. You'll start the game with some energy, coins, and tokens. You need energy to initiate battles and to cast spells in battle. Your energy will recover over time as long as you stay in the channel. Coins are for buying minions in the shop, and tokens are for spinning the fortune machine. Stronger minion in the shop also requires tokens to purchase. To check how much resources you have, type !cash in the chat. One easy way to gain more resources is to play the fortune machine. At the cost of 10 tokens, you can type !roll to have a spin at the fortune machine. If you're lucky, you can win a lot of coins, tokens, and even minions and spells. You can also use the following commands to check your inventory. !units shows all minions that you own. !spells shows all spells that you've learned. And !warband shows your current warband loadout. You probably don't know any spell for now, but you should have at least 3 minions in your warband. The index in your warband loadout indicates the minion's position in your warband. To swap them around, use the command !swap followed by the names of minions in ascending order. For example, if you want your zombie at the top, your ghoul in the middle, and your skeleton at the bottom, type !swap zombie, ghoul, skeleton. To make it easier, you can also shorten the name of the minions into its first 3 letters. You can also swap individual slot by typing !swap followed by the slot index and then the name of the minion. To check the stats and abilities of a minion, type !card followed by the minion's name. Now let's bring your warband into battle. See those minions roaming around in the lobby? The ones in white names are avatars of players such as yourself, while the ones in purple names are wild monsters you can hunt. To battle another player, type !duel followed by the name of the player. And to battle a wild monster, type !hunt followed by the name of the monster. If you don't specify the target of your duel or hunt, your target will be random. In combat, you can cast powerful spells to help you win your battle. For example, if you have the meteor spell, simply type !cast followed by meteor. You can also prepare to cast the spell before battle by using the !precast command. This will ensure your spell is cast when the battle begins. To check what the spell actually does, type !card followed by the name of the spell. Remember that spells cost energy to cast. Now, let's look at these 3 meters in the corner of the screen. The season meter indicates the remaining duration of the game's current season. The shop meter indicates whether the shop is ready to open. At halfway mark, you can type !shop to open a shop at the cost of some energy. However, if the shop meter is full, you can open the shop for free. When the shop is open, you can buy new minions to add to your inventory. Type !buy followed by the number above the minion you wish to purchase. For example, to buy the gorilla on tab 7, type !by 7. The last meter is the zap meter. To use the zap lightning, type !zap. This allows you to instantly kill every wild monster in the lobby and spawn some new ones. Now that you have mastered the basics of the game, go and have a little fun in the game. Feel free to try out other commands while you're playing the game. If you want to learn more advanced gameplay, check out our advanced gameplay guide. Goodbye.